Have you ever wondered that can a cruise ship have bugs in them? Normally a luxury hotel or any other hotel have a lot of infestation in them, but have you ever wondered that can happen in a cruise ship? Now the answer is yes. So now I am Anurag from PestRemovalWarrior.com. Let's continue this video. There are bugs infestation in different kind of cruise ships. They are rare, but they can happen. The most common bugs in cruise ships are bed bugs. Now these little creatures are really problematic because they can suck your blood and can create a lot of problem. They actually bite someone who is spending a lot of money and someone who is not spending that much amount of money. It can happen in big cruise ship also. Although it's quite rare, but it can still happen. Now the infestation means that they will be biting and sucking your blood. And the worst part about these bed bugs is that they are small and difficult to spot, and they can hide within your luggages, and they can hide within the bed sheet, they can hide within anywhere and can start biting you and can travel with you when you are leaving the ship and going to your house. And once you go to your house, the infestation will increase and they will spread over there, and the infestation can begin on your house. This is one of the biggest problems of the bed bugs. They grow very rapidly and they are small and difficult to spot. So that's what makes them very problematic. Now normally there are very proper detection system for this kind of infestation in the bigger cruise ships, but this can still happen because these things are really small and difficult to spot. So if you come in contact with this cruise ship, if you feel like something is biting you, definitely know the member of the cruise ship something is wrong with over there in your room, and make them know that something is not right in that place because you are spending money, you are booking the rooms, and you need to have a proper clean room. Now when you are looking forward to a big room, there are many kind of things like there can be you have to check out whether the room is entirely clean or not. This can be a thing in a big cruise ships also, that the room may not be completely clean, or maybe there are some kind of problems in the room. So make sure to check that out beforehand, that all of the things are working properly and they are all clean. Normally when you are spending big money, they are supposed to work like that, but sometimes, like I'm going to share it in a few moments, that sometimes there can be a lot amount of problems. Now, like I mentioned before, that this can happen in bigger cruise ships, and there is a reason why. There are big 5-star hotels in the world that looks clean from outside, but actually not that clean from inside. Now, there are many people who actually think they are completely clean because they are expensive, they are really well maintained. However, that is not the case. They are clean. They are not clean that often. The freezer and all of the drinks are not really that much clean. So, let's say if a customer stays in that hotel, in the 5-star hotel, and then leaves the hotel, the receptionist over there, the workers over there may clean that or may not clean that, depending upon the availability of the room. If the room is over there, they can or they may not clean that, depending upon them. Now sometimes if the sheet look more or less clean, they don't clean that, they don't wash it, they just keep them arranged properly, and so that you can get a vibe that it is completely clean, and that's all they do. Now if you have allergic problems and if you have dust allergy, some people can actually find that if they go to the room, they can feel that this room is not that clean, it's dusty. And if that happens, let them know, because this is something that cannot be tolerated, and they usually do it quite often than you think, and this happens in all of the big hotels. Now if I am comparing this to the hotel, because cruise ships are not less than a 5-star hotel, it's really great from outside, looks really good. So assuming that it is also possible that a cruise ship may not be cleaned that often, and if that is the case, then infestation can be there, and the cruise members who are cleaning them may not even notice that, and it can stay over there. Now if they are not cleaning the room, you can find that out also, or may not, because oftentimes they usually change the things used by the previous customers, and they usually give up the proper towel or proper soap that is needed for your daily cleaning. But apart from that, they don't always change the bed sheets, they don't always change the cushions, so they also don't always clean them with water and detergent. So it's possible that you have to find it out whether the room is clean or not. If they are not clean, then make sure to let the authorities in the ship know that it has to be clean, or at least if there is any kind of infestation, let them know immediately, because there is not something that you should tolerate or anyone. Because you are spending so much money. Now this can happen also with the luxury one, it can happen with the cheap one. Now, there are different kind of sections in the ships, like they are the ultra luxury one, the person who can spend a lot of money can live on those places, and the one who is little bit like affordable one, that can for the regular people who wants to just travel and experience the ship over there. Now it can happen in both of the cases, because these things are applicable to both of them. The people over there, the workers over there may not even clean the room properly, even for the expensive ones. So make sure to make the authorities know that the ship is not clean, and they will do their job, because it's their responsibility to do it. And since you are spending so much money, it's necessary to do it. A big cruise ship, by I mean there can be so many big cruise ships that you can imagine. all of those cruise ships can have the problem. I'm not saying that it is mandatory, it's going to happen, because it's rare in cruise ships, because they have a cleaning facility that does the cleaning really well, but it can happen. So if you feel uneasy or uncomfortable, then remember it's possible that there can be bed bugs or other insects over there, and let the authorities know, and they will get rid of the infestation. We'll have a happy and a enjoyable traveling with the ship. That is for the video. If you really like this video, don't forget to click on the like, comment and subscribe button. I'm uploading 2 videos every single week, that is on Monday and Friday. So don't forget to click on the subscribe button, click on the notification bell, so that you can receive updates about my video and also help my channel grow.